Hey guys, welcome back. Now we will create a brand new game. The purpose of this game is to make the crab cross the road, avoiding all the vehicles on the road. So we will start creating this game. Actually, go to the resources of this lecture and you can download the road, the crab and vehicles. All these vehicles and the crab is something that you can also use the sprites that are available here to the from the scratch. Actually, here it is the crab, and also there are a lot of vehicles that you can use, trucks, car, that you can use to create this game. But I think it is more convenient actually to download this game without the code, of course, from the resources and start together creating the game, coding the game. I am sure that after creating this game you will understand in depth how it is, how we can code, we can program any different version of these games. You will understand all the if loops, all the repetition loops, all the if statements, the loops, the logic of this game, and you will be able to create similar games. So let's start right now. So if you can see, we have 5 vehicles. Vehicle number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 and number 5. So I will start with vehicle number 5, this car right here, but I want all the cars, all the vehicles in this game to have exactly the same scenario to execute, exactly the same code, the same commands. So I will start with coding this car right here, and I will start with when I will go to the events, when flag is clicked. I would like to hide, so I will go to looks and I will take the hide block, drag it and drop it right here. Then I would like to go to the front layer. So I will go to the motion and I will choose the block go to the front layer. Actually it is in the looks, not in the motion, so I will drag it and bring it right here. And then I would like to do forever, so I will go to the control forever. I would like to set the X. So as you can see, the car is doing this motion right here. So the Y is exactly the same, and only the X dimension is the one that is changing. So I will take I will go to the motion and I will take the block that says set X 2, and I would like to be something right here. So something right here is -175. I want to be right here before the start so that it is not shown. So I will type right here -290. Don't worry if it is something more or less, because I would like to be somewhere right here, and then the car will start coming, so it is not so important if you have something else right here. So I would like to wait for a few seconds. I will go to the events and to the control, and here wait, but I don't want to wait for 1 second every time. I would like to bring here something random, so I will go to the operators and pick random from 1 to 5 seconds. So then I would like the vehicle to appear in my game, to be shown, and then I would like to start a sound. Okay, sounds, choose a sound. I would like to choose a sound from a car. So here it is, the car passing sound, and we can hear it. We can hear it. I think it is perfect. So I will go back to the code and I will choose start sound car passing. Then I would like to repeat some code, so I will go to the control and I will take repeat until, not this repeat. I don't want to repeat a specific code for a lot of times. I would like to repeat until something happens. So I would like to repeat until the X position is greater than this limit. So I will take the greater right here, is great than, and I will take also in the motion, I will go to take the X position. So the X position is more than, my car will go right here. So as I can see right here is 195, so I will type right here 250, so that I'm sure that this car will be right here is 250. So I will type 270. Very nice. I would like to change X by, and here I will use a variable that I will call it car speed. So here it is the car speed, so I will change X by car speed, and then I would like my vehicle to be hidden again. So I will go to the looks category and drag and drop right here the hide command. So finally I would like to check the number of lives. I will have some lives each time that my crab doesn't manage to go to the opposite and is actually crushed by a vehicle, then the lives should be reduced by 1. But if the lives are equal to 0, then everything should stop. So I will go to the control and I will choose if I will go to the operators, so that I can use the equal symbol, equal to 0, and I will go to variables and drag and drop lives. So if lives are equal to 0, then I would like to hide. So I will go to looks category, drag and drop hide, and I would like to stop this script. So I would like to go to the control and choose stop, but not all. I would like to stop this script. So this is my blog. This is something that I will copy it to all my vehicles. I will take it and copy it to vehicle number 4. I will also copy it to vehicle number 3. I will copy it to vehicle number 2, and I will copy it to vehicle number 1. So I will now click to the flag, and here are my 5 vehicles. As you can see, I have a small bug right here. To vehicle number 5, I will go back and I will change 270 to 250. I will try it again. Okay, now it's perfect. As you can see, I have this peak random 1 to 5 seconds, so this means that each car will appear in a different position because it has to wait from 1 to 5 seconds. So I will go now, I will stop it, and I will go to the crab, and I will start coding my crab. But this is going to happen in the next lesson, so I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next lesson with coding the crab and finishing this game.